You ever have the urge to explain? Always finding yourself explaining, no, it's not like that. The urge to explain is really just a desire to be validated by the very people who are currently committed to misunderstanding you. When you feel that yep in your soul, it's usually because you're trying to use logic to solve an emotional or a spiritual problem. In this stage, the silence of the blameless, you realize that your life is the only explanation you owe anyone. If God has helped you overcome, the proof is in your peace. Trying to convince an envious person of your good intentions is like trying to strive the sun to someone who has their eyes tightly shut. 1 Kings 8:27 reminds us that God is uncontainable. If highest heavens can't hold him, your explanations certainly won't hold the weight of someone else's insecurities. Being blameless means your character is unfailing, even when your words are ignored. You learn that silence isn't a sign of weakness. It's a boundary that protects your energy. Keep that in mind. As God elevates you, keep that in mind. They want to simply misunderstand you. And there's no explanation that you can give them that will satisfy them. Keep that in mind. If you feel like you have been explaining yourself constantly over and over and over, just so you can have the validation of the ones that are closest to you, put number 1 in the comment box and join me on the next episode, because I have an antidote. Talk to you later.